This is my room tour of our standard balcony room on board the Carnival Celebration. It is January 9th, 2023. Of course, you get your basic closet space. A little messy, we just kind of moved in. Safe. Another closet space. These can also pull up to increase another hanging spot there. I don't need it though. I prefer the shelving. Bathroom, oops, finger. That's not good. Thermostat, key card, master power switch, lights, bathroom light, hooks included, messy bathroom, sorry about that, commode, all the toilet paper you would need, nice shower, shampoo, conditioner included, no shower curtain, ding, 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 love it. There is electricity above my swim trunks up there. Tons of stuff to do here. You've got your window mini fridge, which is nice. Storage, laundry bag service, extra storage, hair dryer storage, ample workspace, eat space, makeup space, well lit mirror space, first animal towel space. Animal space. Yikes. If you need ice, just ask for it. Water. Ample power solutions. 2 USB. 3 US outlets. 2 USB. Light switch for mirror. This is an adjoining room. We are not adjoining it though. Big TV. Big bed, or it can be 2 little beds, twin beds. You have your reading light either side of the bed with USB. Also, this sofa can turn into another bed. Full-size bed. Extra reading light, no USB. But we have tons. Balcony. We are at sea. Standard balcony, little table, 2 chairs, and just enough room for 2 people. The birds are hunting right now. Anyway, standard cabin, balcony cabin on board the Carnival Celebration, January 9th, 2023.